Hello guys, welcome back to the Python crash course. In this video, we are going to talk about assignment operators, which are used to assign values to variables in Python. They are simple but extremely important as they form the backbone of how we work with variables in our programs. So the most basic operator is equals, and we also have some other operators which are called shorthand assignment operators, something like plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, modulus equals, etc. etc. So in assignment operators, the associativity would be from right to left direction. So let's observe some example. Number 1 equals to 5. Here the value 5 is being assigned to the variable num1. Let's also observe one more example. Here num1 equals num2 equals num3 equals to 8. Here what exactly happens is first the value 8 is being stored in the value num3. Now num3 is also holding the value 8. This 8 is being assigned to num2, and the same value 8 which is stored in num2 will be assigned to num1. So in this case, num1, num2, num3 are holding the same value 8. So let's observe some examples for shorthand operators. So if I take some number equal to 20, so if I do number equal to 20 plus 50 in shorthand, we can write the same thing with num plus equals 50. So if I take one more example, number equal to number bitwise and 5. So this in short we can write number bitwise and equals to 5. So let's try to observe the same output in ideally shell. So let's take number equals to 5. So num1 equals, num2 equals, num3 equals to 20. So number would be 5. Similarly, num1, num2 as well as num3 would be holding the value 20. So if I take number equals to 5 plus 20, the number value would be 25. Again, let's assign the value of number to 5. Now let's do with shorthand assignment. So plus equals 20. And now if you observe the value, it's 25. Let's observe one more example. So number equals to 20. Number equals number bitwise and 5. So now the value of number is 4. Let's try to do the same. Number equals to 20. Now let's do number bitwise and equals to 5. Let's observe the value of number. It's 4. So this is how shorthand assignment operators works. So we'll be using shorthand assignment operators instead normal equals in our upcoming video series. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.